Welcome my dear students, welcome to my new video. This video is all about the throwing body problem. A vertically upward throwing body problem. Here you can see a vertically upward throwing body. Students, when you want to throw any object just upward vertically, you have to give some velocity first, okay? So that I have given a velocity of 20 meter per second. So what will be the question about the throwing body problem? The first question will be like, calculate the maximum height of the throwing body. Yes. So to calculate the maximum height of the throwing body, the equation will be like this. H is equal to u square by 2g. H is equal to u square by 2g. Here h means the maximum height, u means the initial velocity, which is 20 meter per second, and g means acceleration due to gravity. When you will put the values of u and g, then you can find the value h, which is 20.4 meter is the maximum height of the object. What will be the next question? The next question will be like this. Calculate the time to reach at maximum height, or determine the time to reach at the maximum height. So the equation will be like this. T is equal to u by g. Here u is the initial velocity, which is 20 meter per second, and g means the acceleration due to gravity, which has a fixed value or constant value, which is 9.8. After putting the value, you can find the time, which is 2. Okay. What will be the next question? The next question will be like this. What will be the flight time? So what is flight time? Flight time means the time to reach at the surface after throwing the object, the total time. The equation will be like this. T is equal to 2u by g. That means the object will take the same time to fall down, which has it taken the time to reach at the maximum height. Okay, so reach at the maximum height, the time to reach at the maximum height is equal to the time to reach at the surface from the maximum height. So the equation will be like T is equal to 2u by g. That means the double time to reach at the maximum height. After the putting value of u and g, you can get the value 4.08 second. Okay, students. So what will be the next question? The question will be like this. Find the velocity after 1 second. They can ask, find the velocity after 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or 4 seconds. Here is the question, find the velocity after 1 second. So what will be the equation? V is equal to u minus gt. Here u is the initial velocity, which is 20 meter per second. T means 1 second. Okay. After putting the value, you can find this 10.2 meter per second. Okay, students. So after doing all this, the final question will be like this. Draw the velocity versus time of the flight time. That means they have asked you to draw the velocity versus time graph. That means the change of velocity according to time for the total flight time. So here is the graph. As you can see, it has started from the 20 meter per second velocity, as I have given the initial velocity 20 meter per second. As the object going upward, it has lost its velocity, or it was decreasing its velocity till the maximum height, and at the maximum height it got a velocity of 0 meter per second. Here in the graph you can see when the velocity is 0 meter per second, the time is 2.04. okay, this is the time to reach at the maximum height. Okay, so the total flight time was 4.08. After 4.08 second, it has got the velocity of 20 meter per second. Here I have to say something. So students, you have to keep in your mind that the initial velocity was 20 meter per second, and the object, when it was falling down, and it will hit the ground with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Okay, the initial velocity is 20 meter per second, and it will also hit the ground with a velocity of 20 meter per second. And students, this is the graph, and this lecture is all about the throwing body problem. This is very easy problem. So students, this is all about this topic, and please subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for being with me.